Have you ever looked at someone and thought, how do they always look so effortlessly stylish? It seems like they just wake up looking polished, put together, and confident. Well, let me tell you, it's not a secret. It's not having a massive wardrobe or spending a fortune on designer brands. It's all about making a smart style choices, building a versatile wardrobe, and understanding a few key principles of fashion. Today's video, I will be breaking down the exact steps to looking effortlessly stylish every single day. No matter your budget or lifestyle, whether you are running errands, heading to work, or going out for dinner, these tips will help you achieve that polished, put together look without trying too hard. So, without further ado, let's get started. The foundation of effortless style is having that right wardrobe. You don't need hundreds of clothing, you just need the right pieces that mix and match effortlessly. Key wardrobe staples for everyday style I would recommend is definitely get on these few pieces. So, well fitted jeans, a straight leg, wide leg, or classic skinny, up to your preference and your body type. A crisp white button down shirt, a neutral toned tops like white, black, beige, and navy, tailored trouser for a sleek silhouette, a classic blazer, navy, black, or beige, according to your preference, comfortable yet chic footwear, white sneakers, loafer, kitten heels. The key is to have timeless, high quality basics that you can style in a multiple ways. And some of the mistakes I would recommend to avoid is buying too many trendy pieces that go out of style quickly. Ignoring fit, always tailor your clothes if it needs tailoring. Iron the clothes. Overlooking fabric quality, invest in breathable and durable material. Stick to a cohesive color palette. Ever noticed like how some people outfits always look so well coordinated? One of their secret is sticking to a cohesive color palette, and you can also build your color palette as well. Start with neutrals: white, black, beige, navy, and gray, and then you can add on further. Add two or three signature colors like soft pastels, jewel tones, or earthy shades. Choose accent colors for fun statement pieces, and this not only makes dressing up easier but also help you create effortlessly stylish outfits, mix and match, and without overthinking all of this. Number 3 is master the art of layering. Layering is the ultimate styling trick that adds depth, elegance, and sophistication to any outfit. Simple layering ideas, I would say a blazer over a basic white tee jeans, a structured coat over a knit dress, a draped sweater over your shoulders for that kind of like a rich vintage girl aesthetic, mixing textures like silk with wool or denim with cotton. Plus, never do these layering mistakes, wearing too many bulky layers that look overwhelming. Never do that. It makes you chunky, look overwhelming, and doesn't look good. Not balancing proportions, keep the outfit structured. And ignoring the seasonal fabric, opt for breathable layers in summer, cozy knits for winters. Number 4, I would say, is accessories. A lot of people just ignore it, but this is very important. Less is more. Accessories can completely transform your look, but the key is to keep it simple and intentional. Effortless accessories for everyday style, minimal gold or silver jewelry, small hoops, dainty necklace, elegant rings. You have to know where to stop. If you have chunky necklace, don't do too much in here. If you have too much here, don't do too much in here. So structured handbag in a neutral shade, a sleek belt to refine your vest, chic sunglasses for that polished look, and just make sure to avoid these mistakes. Overloading on accessories. Stick to one to two statement pieces, not too much. Wearing mismatched metals, gold and silver, can work, but keep it cohesive. Make sure you are not doing too much. Number 5 is prioritize fit and tailoring. The most stylish people aren't just wearing great clothes, they are wearing clothes that fit them perfectly. So make sure whatever you buy is fitting you perfectly. So that's the reason I say waist tailoring is very important. Well fitted trousers elongate your silhouette, a tailored blazer sharpens your whole look, cropped or properly hammered jeans make a ton of difference. I would say a world of difference. And some of the common mistakes that people do is buying clothes that are too tight or too loose and it's just mismatch, ignoring the importance of structured silhouettes. Number six is grooming and presentation. Effortless style isn't just about clothes, it's about how you present yourself. So, small details that make a big difference. Well groomed nails, clean and polished, even a simple nude color works wonders. Even make sure your nails are not too dainty. I would say I was never a fan of dainty nails. Sleek styled hair, whether it's a neat bun, soft wave, or a chic ponytail, up to you. Minimal yet fresh makeup. Think glowy skin and a neutral lip, not too much drama on the face. And some of the mistakes that to avoid is wearing wrinkled clothes. Steaming, ironing is very important, is a must. Ignoring skincare. Healthy, glowing skin enhances your overall look. So never miss your skincare. At least add sunscreen, moisturizer, and at least a face wash and night serum in your skincare must have. Number seven is confidence is your best accessory. The final and most important key to looking effortless stylish is confidence. And some of confidence boosting tips is good posture, stand tall, shoulders back, walk with purpose. Your energy makes an impact. So make sure you bring a positive energy. Wear what makes you feel good, confident, not just what is trending. So I would say make sure that whatever styling you are doing, style is how do you feel, not just how you look. So keep that in mind. This is very important. So, looking stylish doesn't isn't like all about having the biggest wardrobe or following everyone what's trending or seeing what everyone is doing and you're doing the same. It's not about that. It's about making smart choices, investing in the right pieces for you, and carrying yourself with confidence. And see how much big of a difference you will see in next few days by yourself as well. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below if you like the video. And I'll see you next one. Before that, stay chic, stay stylish, keep smiling. Till then, I'll see you next video. Bye bye.